Okay, the blacksmith shop is still in business. Ooh,
We're making wine bottle holders now.
cool.
Yep. Yeah.
I think I need to heat it now.
Okay. Whatever you need.
So now
I need to heat it longer.
that long piece is going to be making it into this.
Sweet.
So that's how much length actually takes with all those
Yeah,
curves
turns.
to make it to something that's only that long.
Love it.
I've been hydrating. Excuse me.
Yeah, it's definitely getting warm in there.
Yeah.
It wasn't that warm earlier.
Yeah, it's probably almost 85 degrees in here now.
Yep, you got your shed heated up.
Yep.
We gotta keep an eye on Tyler because he hasn't been drinking.
Did you bring water or anything, Tyler?
Yeah.
You did. Okay.
Yeah, when I went over there, I cooled down and drank some water and stuff.
Okay.
So, what's the form? What is that? Just a piece of steel?
I made that out of Schedule 40 pipe. So,
Okay.
and so now that'll last the rest of my life. And whoever gets that after me will be very happy
Yeah.
because, yeah, that'll.
Love it.
Yeah, that thing won't break. It'll just be.
That's a cool use for rebar.
Right?
But we can do that.
Yeah, I'll do it after. Yeah.
Because you'll be able to work it better with less.
Right. Yeah. It's getting better as you go because it's twisting and it's getting shorter. So
Yep.
when it was like 5 feet long, it's like
It's a tad more difficult.
dodge everything.
Yeah, that's what Steve and I went through when I was here 2 weeks ago. We're like, how long does it need to be? And he had like surveyor's tape, the plastic stuff. So
Yeah.
we went and wrapped it around and around. We're like, yeah, it's
Good
gonna take this
idea.
whole big thing to do it.
Yeah, we still couldn't believe it. We were like,
It's like, I'm a lot, it's a lot. He's like, yeah, if it's too much, we'll cut it off. I'm like, okay.
No.
We didn't cut it off.
Yeah.
So that piece that's hanging on the edge of
That's
the
good.
forge
Go with
there,
that.
Yeah.
You're good.
somebody got bored and had to put a bunch of twists in it.
Yeah.
There we go again.
Got it. Okay.
Oh, that looks pretty good, honestly.
I think it looks really
I
good.
think I just want to take this right here and bend it straight.
Yeah? You don't want to do another twist? I'd do another
maybe,
one around the
maybe
bottom.
I'll do another one. Yeah.
Yeah,
Around
because
the very
I mean,
bottom.
the first one I did only had one twist, but then the second
Yeah,
one
get it
had
to be
like
kind of more of a
couple
circle.
of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do another one.
People understand what it is more when you
Right.
have a couple more twists on that
I see what
part.
you're saying. Yeah.
But it looks great.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
The shape is good. You have enough on the top, don't you? Something really cool.
So I was thinking, maybe.
Yeah, don't cut it off.
Yeah,
just do
that's
something.
what I was thinking about doing something different with it.
Yeah. That's the best part about this, that when you're here, it's you just keep doing and doing and all of a sudden you're like, yeah, well. Sometimes you don't think that you have to know where you want to start, but you don't know where it's going to end up. Which is the great part.
That's art.
Exactly. Yeah, I was trying to think, like, if you're not here and I decide to do a demo, how I can still do these. And with the vice grips, I'd be able to do it.
Good.
Or I Shanghai, somebody else could be here and help.
Sure, Dad. Jeff would help.
Hmm?
Jeff would help. Tyler would help.
Yeah, I live like 3 miles down the road.
Yeah, I live off of Three Oaks Parkway.
Gotcha.
So, yeah, it's not that far. Because that way we could see a little bit of relaxation.
Right.
Okay. Oh my.
Maybe one more.
Yeah. Bring it out. Or right on the bottom.
Well, what you're gonna have to do is decide where you want that bottom finial
Right.
and where you want it to turn up to run along the wall so it can hang on the wall.
Right.
And this is the finished product.
And the bottom, put it in there, show you.
Oh. There's the heat colors. Stainless steel melts. I'll be darned.
It's the original
Oh, yeah.
Koreshan bottle.
Cool. Love it. So when he pulls that out, is that 2100 because it's nice and orange?
Yes.
It is?
Yes. Good job. Excellent job. I'm impressed.
I don't know.
No, seriously.
It's very orange when he gets it.
Yeah. And if we go over 25, then that metal's unusable because the sparks of it are the carbon is left it. Elvis has left the building.
Elvis has left the building if
Yeah.
it gets too hot.
Nice.
And we can't
Nice.
get that carbon back. So once that carbon leaves, it's useless, it's garbage. We have to cut it off or throw it away.
I'll be darned. All right. Well, thanks for the demonstration.
Yeah, that turned out beautiful.
It did.
Yeah, that's gonna be really
I
nice.
can't believe it happens that quickly.
Right?
We're only at 8 minutes and 20 seconds.
We can test for the bottlings now. So this is another way that we can see if our proof of concept will work. But what do you know? I see
Nice.
no flaws.
I'm gonna bend this straight up.
Okay.
And make a wall hammer
Perfect. Yeah.
for it. I like it.
Yeah, that'll fit perfect. Everything looks great.
Nice.